Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to enable Find My Device and secure your Android phone. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is to head over to your phone settings. So I'm going to simply click on here to open up my phone settings. You have to open up your phone settings. Next thing you need to do is to scroll down. Continue to scroll down until you see Google. Click on Google. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on All Services. Next thing you need to do is to scroll down. Continue to scroll down. Continue to scroll down. Continue to scroll down. Continue to scroll down until you get to Find Hub. Click on that. It's going to take you right here. Allow device to be located. Here, if you lose this device or any connected fast pairing accessory, you can find Hub to locate them. What you need to do is to turn on this particular button. Once you turn on this particular button, allow your security lock pattern, and it's going to take you right here. And this particular button here is going to be turned on. Find your offline devices with network in high traffic area only. Here, you can simply click on Open an app or on web. So you can use either app or on web to track your devices if eventually this phone your devices get lost. So click on Find Hub app. Open it, and it will direct you right here after you enter your lock security pattern. Here, you have detail about your phone right here. You can click on refresh right here. This allows you to see detail about the phone, and the name of the device is going to be found right here, and every connected information about the device. Is that simple. Then you can simply go back right here. If you want to use Find Hub web, click on Open on web. Then it will redirect you to a web page whereby you can easily get detailed information about the particular devices. Just like what you see right here, you can see everything here is being shown in the map, and then you can see locating devices right here. So it's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply secure your phone by enable Find My Device on your Android phone. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.